Yo, what's up, moneymakers? Ever wished for a little extra cash to hit your account? Like, out of nowhere. I mean, who hasn't? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Chime and exploring how you can score a sweet $10 just for giving it a shot. Now, I know what you're thinking. Free money? It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around because it's actually not. Chime, this digital banking platform, has been dropping these little bonuses for new users, and it's legit. But here's the kicker, it's not always straightforward. There are rules, conditions, and sometimes, even a touch of luck involved. So, let's break it down. First off, what exactly is Chime? It's essentially a bank account that lives on your phone. No physical branches, no crazy fees, just a simple way to manage your money. But why would they give you $10 just for signing up? Well, it's a smart business move. They're hoping you'll like the platform so much, you'll stick around and become a loyal customer. Alright, let's talk about the different ways to snag that $10. Method number 1, the referral program. If you've got friends who are also looking to save some cash, convince them to sign up using your referral link. When they do, boom, you get a bonus. It's like recruiting for your own personal money-making army. Method number 2, promotional codes. Keep your eyes peeled for these bad boys. They pop up from time to time, and they can be worth some serious dough. Social media, email, even physical mailers, these are the places to look. Method number 3, direct deposit. This one's a bit trickier, but it can pay off. Chime often offers bonuses to new users who set up direct deposits. It's a way for them to show you they appreciate your business. But remember, it's usually a specific amount, like $200 or more, so you gotta plan ahead. Now, before you get too excited, let's talk about the fine print. Not everyone will qualify for these bonuses. There are eligibility requirements, like being a new Chime customer or meeting certain income thresholds. Plus, the terms and conditions can change, so always read the fine print. So, can you really make $10 with Chime? Absolutely. But it's not guaranteed money. It takes a little effort, a bit of luck, and a willingness to explore different options. But hey, if you're looking to boost your bank account and you're open to trying new things, then Chime might be worth a shot. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on hustling and chasing that extra cash.